I'm here with Jeremy.
What's up, man? Aloha.
And we're gonna go into Jeremy's content creation and some of the cool things that he's doing right now that I think you guys out there could find interesting in terms of putting yourself out there and just different ways that you can use the skills you have to make a little bit of money. Okay, so you just launched a real estate course. Tell me a little bit about that.
So I started a real estate course. Essentially, this is a real estate course that teaches new or aspiring real estate agents or anyone that wants to step up their real estate agent game and make more sales and of course make more income and live the life they want to live. What I say in my course is that instead of lead generating, I'm sure you've heard that term before, right?
Of course.
You're lead capturing. So people come to you. It's called the Real Estate Rockstar course, and the reason why I called it that is because the way I built my real estate business, I'm living life like a rock star.
Sounds like you're living free.
Living free with JD.
I'm intrigued. One of my favorite things to say is let's worry about today, and let's worry about tomorrow. That's what impresses me most about your journey in the past, say, 6 months, is that you're doing a couple of things that are entirely different in terms of like the time doesn't overlap. Whether you're out with clients in real estate or you're filming for YouTube or you're filming for your course, none of them are like the same thing at one time.
Yeah.
But they all, what was really smart is they vertically integrate.
Yes.
So
Exactly.
the more you do YouTube, the better you are in front of a camera, which is better for the course.
Yeah.
And like you said, like, who am I? Just Jeremy.
Yeah.
I'm just JD. And like, you're like, should I really be doing this? Well, you've become a good content creator.
Yeah.
And you've developed those skills, and then also you're out doing showings all the time. So you're constantly working on things that just vertically integrate.
Exactly.
And now you have the course out. It's crazy because it takes a lot of mental capacity to
Oh
come
my
up
God.
with course topics, to be dealing with what I'm sure is like clients all day and having to think about offers and how to do this and escrows, and you're just like constantly outputting mental energy. I don't know how you do it. Maybe there's some secret sauce to that. I'm gonna have to get on that 6:30 gym grind.
Oh my God.
For the people out there who are thinking about making their own course, like how did you pick out a topic?
Oh, okay. So if you're thinking about making a course, which I believe everyone should do, I think you should be a master at whatever the course is gonna be, because of course, you don't want to be, teaching people that you're not 100% sure of. Even with me, after hitting maybe 17 sales in 1 year to 24 sales in another year, I was still self-conscious and I didn't want to teach anyone until I knew I was a master. And even when I decided to make the course, I still don't think I'm a master at everything, because real estate, it's a new day every day. But if you're thinking about making your own course, you should definitely be a master at it, or understand all the fundamentals and be able to teach someone how, if something came up in whatever situation it may be, you know what to do, or you know how to approach it. If you're thinking about making a course, if there's ever times where people are always asking you and they want to pick your brain, or you just got a never-ending request of like showing them how to do something, I think that's the point where you just start thinking about making a course. And if you're like me, you might be thinking, oh yeah, no one's going to learn from me, no one's going to be, they don't want to pay for my education or what I have to say. You're wrong, because that's what I thought. I was wrong, and people do care about what you have to say and what you have to teach.
That's a really great point, and I think you're right that a lot of people would be self-conscious about the course they make, but everyone's good at different things. Some people are the master of just the weirdest things, and there are other people out there who want to know how to get good at that.
Yeah.
So it's just about finding like what's right for you. Now,
Absolutely.
Real estate was your choice. I mean, what amount of volume did you do last year?
Oh yeah. So last year I sold 24 homes at a volume of maybe almost 13 million.
13 million,
Yeah.
dude?
And I'm 26. I was 26 last year.
26
Yeah.
on 13 million in real estate. That's
Yeah.
nasty. I gotta move to Hawaii and start selling houses out here.
Come through anytime.
No joke. Alright, so what do you think the weirdest thing someone can make a video is on?
Ooh, man. So there's different niches, there's different worlds, there's different areas of life where you could surround yourself in. And if you're in whatever space you're in, find a way to make a course, teach people, educate people. And I think that's where YouTube is headed. That's where e-courses are headed, is just education. And whatever you're good at, obviously, if you're good at it, I hope you like it. And if you like it, why not monetize it and, educate people and also, make a living out of that.
Another advantage of the e-course is that you might not always be free for someone to pick your brain.
Yeah.
So the fact that they can go watch it on demand is super helpful. Like, everybody wins because you got to give them that information in time that worked for you, and they got to get that information at the time that worked for them.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you have any one last piece of advice for everyone out there as we close out?
So any piece for advice for maybe realtors or content creators, whatever you are, don't be afraid to be yourself. And in actuality, being yourself is your strength because everyone will be the same. Here in Hawaii, there's about, I'd say, 20,000 licensed realtors. And so everyone and their mothers know a realtor. But how do I connect with someone is because I'm being myself. So for you guys out there, be yourself, because the people who like you, they will like you because you're you, and they'll gravitate towards you. And you want to have people gravitating towards you that like you, and you want to work with people that like you and that you like them. Because if someone didn't like you, if they thought you were weird, of course you wouldn't want to work with them. So be yourself, and you'll bring the right people along. And that's pretty much what I have to say with
That's
all
such great advice. That the people you want to be around you are going to be attracted to what you're doing. And the people that don't like what you're doing, you don't want them around you.
Yeah.
You put it perfectly.
Exactly. Smash the like button and subscribe to JD's channel.